Hello, welcome to my channel. Important to know creation some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easy. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with and cope of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section.